Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting direct access to the game's stored voice files. This is essential. Download a capable file manager, confirm it can view app folders, and place your replacement audio in a known folder. Once done, make sure the audio is in the correct format and named clearly. You will need that exact file name later. You're acting now, don't pause to tweak volume yet. Prepare a backup copy of the original file so you can restore it if the change fails. Now navigate into the game's data structure to the voice or assets folder where system message is live. You must match the file name exactly, case sensitive, so rename your file to that name before swapping. Once located, move the original to a backup folder, then copy your replacement in its place. After copying, verify file permissions match the original so the game can read it. Incorrect permissions will prevent loading. If the app is running, force stop it before continuing to ensure changes take effect. Finish by restarting the game cleanly, force stop the app, clear cache if needed, then launch and trigger the voice event you changed. You should hear your new audio. If not, recheck that the file name, format, and permissions are identical to the original. If problems persist, restore the backup and test again because a corrupt or misnamed file can crash the asset loader. One quick tip: if the game updates, your change might be overwritten. Keep backups and repeat the process after updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.